Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Programming with Gautam. So today I'll be showing you what is Ajax and how to work with Ajax. So what is Ajax first? So Ajax is nothing but asynchronous JavaScript and XML. Okay, so this is nothing but a combination of both JavaScript and XML. With the help of this, we can create, whereas we can fetch the data even after the web page is loaded completely. Okay, so how to do that and all, I'll be showing you now. So in this demo.html, I have created this particular demo.html here. In this demo.html, I'll open the HTML tag here. HTML tag. In this HTML tag, I'll open the head tag, title tag, Ajax calls with programming with Gautam. Okay. After this title, I think I have given the title tag wrong. Okay, the title spelling wrong. So after this, I'll come out of the head tag and open the body tag here. For this body, I'll align it to center. It's to center. Okay. Now, I'll open Now I'll open a h1 tag here and give hello here. So I'll open another h2 tag here. Welcome to my YouTube channel Programming with Gautam. Okay, so this H came capital here. I need to change that in Programming with Gautam. Okay, so we are done here. Now after that, I'll create a button here saying click. I'll open a button here. In this button, I'll give type as button, type button, and close this button tag here. In between, I'll give here to see the magic. To see the magic. So here, when I open this particular file in Google Chrome, you can see I am getting a button here without any space. So I need to see that, but this button is not working as of now. Okay, we need to make changes to that particular button here. So what will I do with that button? So once any user clicks on that button, I want to open this particular file, that is 123.txt. In this particular file, I have hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Programming with Gautam. Click on the below link to subscribe to my channel. Okay, so what is there and all, I'll show you now. So before that, I'll open a script tag here in the head tag. In this script tag, I'll give a function called as Ajax call. Function Ajax call. Now we'll write the code for this Ajax call. So I'm taking a variable called as x here equals to XML HTTP request, and we are opening and closing the brackets here with a semicolon. Okay. After that, x dot on ready state change equals to function. Okay, so what is this function? So we need to write this function here. If this dot ready state equals to 4, and this dot status equals to 200. So what is ready state and to status? I'll tell you guys. You don't worry about that. We'll open another bracket, flower bracket here. Document dot get element by ID 1. This should be in double quotes. 1 dot inner HTML equals to this dot response text. Okay, so we are sending a response text in the form of inner HTML here. So that is the reason I have written in the HTML code here in 123.txt here. Okay, after that we need to close to that is, we have since we have opened this function for onReady state, we need to close these functions. So two flower brackets should be closed here. After that, x dot open, we'll open that in get mode. We'll open this particular 123.txt in get mode. Get. So this get should be in capital letters, guys. Comma 123.txt, comma true. Okay. Now we'll send that this particular that is this document, the 123.txt document to this particular ID one, the ID number 1 there. X dot send. Okay. So once we have sent, we need to close this semicolon here. Here also semicolon. Okay. After that, for this body tag, this h1 and from this here, I'll open a div tag. Div id equals to 1, and I'll close this div tag here. Same way, I'll close this div tag here after this thing, so that the complete text will disappear and new text will appear there. So let me refresh this particular page. So this page is refreshed. Now when I click on this button, there is nothing happening because we have not given on click attribute here. On click equals to Ajax call. So when I refresh this and click here, you think see the particular program is working. So, and there is no back button, as you can see. So when I refresh this again, it will come to the main page, and when I click on this particular button, it will redirect me to this particular page, but there is no back button here, as you can see. Again, when I refresh it, it will come to this particular page, and when I go on here and hover on this here also, there is no link here as of such here. When I click on that particular link only, I am able to see. So when I click on this particular subscribe button, it will redirect me to my YouTube channel and ask to subscribe here, as you can see. Okay. So this is everything about the Ajax calls, guys. Hope you have understood. If you have understood, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Programming with Gautam. Thank you.